Hi everybody, Justin here with OurSleepGuide.com. Today I'm going to do an assembly of the 14-inch Zinus platform steel metal base. So let's get started. All right, so that's how easy it is to unbox this. You know, this is just a simple base. I mean, I can tell right now with the steel that it's gonna be a heavy duty base, and it looks like it's gonna be real easy to put together, which is great. It's gonna come in two different sections. This is gonna be the queen size. So I've just folded this piece out. I folded those legs out. You can see how simple it is when I grab this. You're gonna fold these ones back. This immediately comes up, and then you're gonna fold those legs. Now you're going to have basically two support pieces on each side, and you're just going to run these underneath here and here, and it's going to come with 10 wing nuts, and you're just going to attach these wing nuts and just spin them on. This is what a wing nut looks like, so really easy to hand tighten. That's the other nice thing. If you don't have tools, you are not going to need tools to assemble this. So we just get this one on, tighten that one up, and you want to make it nice and snug on both sides. Then from there, you're going to repeat. You're going to do this side, basically all four. Now to connect the two pieces, and this is going to be important here, what you're going to have is, let's get the right size. You're going to have a longer bolt with a wing nut on the end, and you are going to slide this through to attach it. There are two holes, one here and one here, and there are two holes on the end. There's also going to be this bushing right here, so it's basically a spacer. And you want to be able to, you're going to want to slide it through, put the bushing in the middle. And this is important because you're not going to want to have the two steel bases rubbing next to each other. It's just not going to be a good fit for that. And then you're going to take the wing nut and you will tighten this up. And you're just going to repeat it on the other side. All right, now that I have everything secured and fastened down nice and tight, you can see that everything lines up nicely. The only thing that I'd like to say is when you are putting the wing nuts on, there seems to be a thick coating of paint on the wing nuts and also the bolt. So it is going to take just a little bit to be able to line those threads up. You want to make sure those threads are nice and straight so you're not going to be stripping out that wing nut. So just keep that in mind. Maybe just take a little bit of time when you're doing that. All right, so that's how easy it is to put this thing together. And now to flip it over, what you're probably going to want to do is just fold this in here, fold this up. So we'll have these come together, and if you can, you just pick this up this way. It's not very heavy, so I think pretty much anybody should be able to do this. There is just a little bit of separation right in the middle, so just be careful with that. Just straighten this thing right out, put it in a position where you want, and we'll drop this right down here. And just like that, you got a platform base. You know, I think this is going to be able to support pretty much any amount of weight as well, which is important. You know, once you throw the mattress over the top of this, that's going to help disperse some of that weight. And I would imagine there's going to be a weight limit on this. I'm not sure exactly what that is. But for something that costs right around $100, this is going to be definitely a good base to get. So that's the review and assembly for the Zinus 14-inch platform base. Any questions, definitely go back over to OurSleepGuide.com. We're going to have a review written on this bed and also a link where you can see where you can buy it. Thank you.